Premix is ideal. That's it. Biobizz Premix, what is it? Well, the simplest way of putting it is that it's all the good stuff from our all mix soil. So you've got a blend of dried fertilisers, guano, you've got beneficial bacteria and fungi in there. What are you going to use it for? Well, you could use it to create a compost tea if you wanted to. You could put 10 grams per litre in, bubble it up for 24 hours and water it on your plants. They'd love that. You can use it to reuse old soil, where you'd scrape off maybe 10-15% of the old soil, add some fresh light mix or raw mix and 5% premix. It'll re-energise your soil and re-fertilise your soil. Or if you're simply building your own soil, you're starting with a light mix base or a cocoa base, you could put premix in, 5 to 10% as your fertiliser, and add some worm humus in there for added bacteria. So how are you going to reuse your soil? Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is get rid of the old roots. So you're going to need to water through an enzyme like our Activera, which is an organic plant-based enzyme. That's going to break down those old roots. You can break the soil up, scrape off the top layer, add some new light mix or some new all mix or some cocoa if you want to keep it nice and light, and then add 5% premix. You've also got the option of putting 10% worm humus in there, which is going to give you more bacteria and colonise the soil with that good bacteria.